Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to add bookmarks in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So as we know that bookmarks in browser help us to navigate quickly to a particular website. Similarly, if you are a software developer and if you are working on a large application which has multiple layers, classes, files and methods. So to search a particular method or code within such large application, for that purpose, you have to remember the location of the method. So using the bookmarks in Visual Studio simplifies this one. So using the Visual Studio bookmarks, you can quickly navigate to a method or piece of code. So let's see how to add bookmarks in Visual Studio. So first of all, open your Visual Studio. So in my case, I have this project. It is a demo project. From this demo project, I am opening one file. So this is one of my class invoice factory. Now this is my get invoice object method. Now I want to mark or I want to add this method in a bookmark. So for that purpose, first of all, go to the view option. In the view option over here, you can see the bookmarks window. So click on the window. So over here, you can see at the bottom, the bookmark section is added. So by using this window, you can manage your Visual Studio Code bookmarks. So to add the bookmark of this method, just put your cursor on this method and click on this button called as toggle bookmark. So click on the button and over here you can see the bookmark is added for this method. So whenever you will go to the other methods or other classes and if you have this bookmark window open, then you can simply click on this bookmark and over here you can see you are quickly navigated to that particular method. So in this way we can simply add a bookmark using this bookmark window. Similarly, to add a bookmarks, so let me show you another example. So on this method, I want to add a bookmarks. Just place your cursor over here and just press Ctrl K and Ctrl K twice. And here also you can see the bookmark is added for this method. So in this way we can add bookmarks. So to manage these bookmarks, we can also add a folder over here. So to create a folder, just you need to click on the new folder. Then you need to give a proper name as per your choice. In my case, I'm adding it as a my bookmarks. Then you can put this bookmarks over here. Just drag and drop your bookmarks into your folder and over here you can see these two bookmarks are added to my bookmarks folder. Similarly, you can remove these bookmarks. Similarly, you can rename these bookmarks. Just select the bookmark, right click on it, you can delete it, or if you want to rename it, you can rename it, or you can put the name of the method for your reference like this. So in this way, using this feature, we can simply add bookmarks or we can manage our bookmarks in Visual Studio. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.